reporters, and welcome back to my channel. It is round two in the feud between disgraced former teen mom OG star Farrah Abraham and Kimberly Noel Kardashian. In the most recent round of their fight, Farrah was dragging Kim because people were comparing their faces. They're saying that Kim is going way too far with the plastic surgery. In fact, she's starting to look like Farrah, who a lot of people claim has already gone too far, right? So she had a lot to say about Kim. I did make a video about that just the other day if you want to go ahead and check it out for more context. And so now, most recently, Farrah is going after Kim in regards to her legal aid that she provides for underprivileged women in prison. And why don't we just get into it? If you've been following Kim for a while, then you know one really good thing about her is that she loves helping people who she feels as though were wronged by the justice system and don't belong in jail. She puts a lot of her own money behind trying to seek and advocate for justice for other people. And that is actually, in fact, why she is studying to become a lawyer, because she wants to be able to own her own law firm that helps people with this sort of a goal. So People magazine had a story that they ran about Kim and how she paid off legal fees for more than 50 moms in honor of Mother's Day. So I just put up that image there. So that is a still image. Look how funny my hair looks surrounding this, like this is my face. And so Farrah Abraham shared the image from the article. It's a very positive article. I think it's a wonderful thing that Kimberly's doing, but Farrah doesn't think so, right? So she added her own little gif of a gavel going boom, boom, boom right there on the left with a caption that reads in a quote, "The smarter thing would have been to excuse the fees and clear the mom's record." Well, that is what Kim did by paying off their fees. It's not like those people were paying to Kimberly's firm. Like those people had already been in debt from paying other lawyers, right? Very odd. And clear the mom's record. How could she do that? Like she is working towards that by paying off their fees, giving them the ability to go ahead and continue to fight and have their records clear. She's already worked on presidential pardons, right? Like we've seen her go to the White House when Donald Trump was the president and get some people pardoned and whatnot. So very, very odd. Anyway, Farrah continues. Kim's part in law allows women to keep paying a price they shouldn't pay. No, it doesn't, because Kim does this for free. What part of free do you not understand, Farrah? I'm glad I at least have a top credited paralegal certificate to know this much. Well, okay, let's see the certificate. I have not seen the receipts for this. And then in brackets, she decides to get really sarcastic by saying, "Congrats to the mothers who didn't know any better. You deserve far better assistance." What could be better than Kim Kardashian bringing attention to your case and paying off your legal fees, the legal debt that you already accrued from other lawyers that you were working with? It's so odd how much Farrah wants to have a problem with Kim. In fact, I think that her main motivation in constantly like coming for Kim is the fact that it gets her articles. Ever since leaving the show many years ago, like she used to get articles written about her, you know, her arrests and just like overall kind of like, you know, unbecoming behavior and whatnot. But it's been longer and longer since she's been on the show, which means she's been less and less relevant. She hasn't really participated in other shows either. So now the thing that gets her press is coming for Kim Kardashian, right? The comparisons of their looks. And now they're both into this like kind of legal world. Both of them are working on having some kind of a legal career. Kim, she's working on being a lawyer, and Farrah initially was claiming that that's what she was doing, but now it appears as though she's more into the paralegal side. So speaking of the paralegal side, Farrah is actually offering her paralegal services pro bono. Again, we have not seen a paralegal certificate or degree of any sort from Farrah, so I don't even know if it's legal for her to be advertising and taking on clients. I think that this could open her up to a lot of problems, a lot of legal problems and a lot of civil problems if she does not get a handle on it. So she posted a photo of herself with a caption that reads, "My pro bono work consists of clearing records and excusing fees. As I am going through challenging legalities due to my celebrity, I truly know what mothers and fathers need to set them up for future opportunities." And it's signed off as Farrah Abraham Paralegal. Let me just read that again. "My pro bono work consists of clearing records and excusing fees. As I am going through challenging legalities due to my celebrity, I truly know what mothers and fathers need." So she's saying that her pro bono work, it's okay. So clearing records, okay, sure. I don't know that, listen, I don't know like the extent of what a paralegal can do when it comes to clearing certain records and whatnot, especially on the criminal side. I know that they can help a lot on the civil side, but on the criminal side, can she help clear criminal records? I'm curious about it. This is a genuine question. If any of you are paralegals, please do let us know in the comment section. Excusing fees. Well, if it's pro bono work, then you are not charging fees, but so it's kind of like a bit like odd to say that in the same sentence. And also, like, if the people already accrued fees from other law firms, then you can't go to those other law firms and demand that they excuse their fees, right? It's like what she's saying for Kim. Kim should have excused their fees. Well, how? She never took any fees for them. She actually gave them free lawyers that she is paying for on her own. And then Farrah claims that she is going through challenges due to her celebrity. No, Farrah, you're going through challenges because you went to a bar, you were belligerent, and you got physical with a security guard and someone from CoCheck, allegedly, right? And so she's saying that doing all those sorts of things, like she knows what mothers and fathers need to set them up for future opportunities. All right, Farrah, I would love to see it. Please provide that paralegal certificate. This is being said in earnest. I truly want to know that this is something that she graduated from, because last I heard from her in regards to education, she was studying to be a lawyer, right? And I want to know how she went from studying to be a lawyer to studying to be a paralegal, like, you know, what the journey was like there and what school it is that she actually graduated from, when she graduated, because this was never announced. Farrah really is a very interesting character, isn't she? Let me know what you think about all this drama in the comment section down below. And as usual, we'll chat. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching.